Hey there, community. Jason Rahm here from DevCentral, and I have just wrapped my F5 Academy tour for the spring 2025 season. This one was in Reston, Virginia. It landed in DC Sunday night. I got an awesome approach. Got to see the National Mall with the Washington Monument and the Capitol building in the background. Fantastic landing. Got a good night's sleep, and then headed over to meet the team. Ryan Johnson was a great host for the day. And then we went through the content that we've had at all of them, the application study tool, the AI gateway, and the web app scanning. And with application study tool, they do a lab and then a presentation and lab, and Uma led that, did a great job. And around application study tool this Thursday this Thursday be June 6th at noon Central, 10 a.m. Pacific. I am going to build this live. We're going to learn together. I've built application study tool before, but we're actually going to incorporate HashiCorp Vault and manage secrets. And I might even do Docker secrets too. I don't know how long it'll take to get through all that. And then stretch goal, if we get through all that, we'll do Grafana and enabling SSL TLS on the Grafana dashboard. So that's this Thursday around application study tool. And then John Alam led the AI gateway session at Reston. And as always, each city, everybody does things a little bit different. John did a great job. And, around AI gateway at the end of the month, I'm going to host another session with Matt Stowell. He did the session in Kansas City. And we're going to do some of that AI gateway live, but a pretty slick, cool demo. And there will be birds. And that's all I'll say. So come back for that one. I'll get that scheduled in the next week or so. So you'll see that. That'll be the end of June. And then finally, web app scanning. Hector Valbuena did that session. And then, web app scanning is a pretty cool tool. It's like automated pen testing. It just goes out and does what it needs to do to look at your app, make sure it's secure and all that. So around that, and I haven't scheduled this yet, but another session that I want to do is I want to vibe code. Vibe coding's all the rage these days with using AI tools. I want to vibe code a web app with database authentication, these kinds of things. Input forms. So anytime you're taking input, anytime you have authentication, there are things to be attacked. And so I want to use AI to build a tool, and just vibe it. I don't know. I'm not going to try to make it secure. I'm just going to say, hey, build these things. And then so that'll be first session. We'll build the web app, get it published, get it out there. And then at the end of session one, we're going to set up web app scanning to do its thing. Then in the second session, we'll come back and we'll look at those results and see if we can vibe code a solution for all of those things. So, that's to look forward to. Some of the things that I learned from being on the F5 Academy Roadshows is ways that I can improve my own skills, dig into the tooling that we have to make the experiences better. So with that, I will sign off. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me over the last 6 or 7 weeks, and I will see you out there in the community.